You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video, 5 Things to Know when changing a drive belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Car Battery Hyundai i30 1.6. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift the front and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts lift the front of the car and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheel. Don't forget to slide it under the vehicle. Using a socket wrench and a 12mm socket, start by loosening the locking bolt of the drive belt tensioner system. Next, using the same tool, loosen the belt tension adjustment screw. To completely release the tension, loosen the lower alternator retaining screw using a socket wrench and a 14mm socket. The alternator is now free, which allows you to completely loosen the belt. You can now remove the drive belt. When changing your drive belt, you must also replace the take-up pulley. Using a socket wrench and a 15mm socket, loosen the screw holding the take-up pulley. Remove the pulley.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and the link in the description. Get the new pulley and put it back in its place. Then screw the tensioner pulley back in and finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. Once the belt is in place, it must be tightened again. Using the socket wrench, tighten the tensioner screw until the correct tension is achieved. Don't overdo it. If you're unsure, screw the screw back on as before, using the oxidation of the screw as a guide. Secure the belt tensioner system locking bolt. Finish tightening the lower alternator retaining screw. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.